Good Tuesday morning. Hope your day's off to a good start. When will the Bluffton Parkway flyover project be finished? And are we looking at any more lane closures in the future? Those are some of the questions I'll be asking County Engineer Colin Kenson this afternoon. The latest on the flyover project coming up later today on islandpacket.com. How to save on gas. We've given you 7 surefire ways to do so. Rebecca Lurie with the lowdown on gas station and grocery store rewards programs. That story is on our homepage right now. Well, coming up tonight on islandpacket.com, Beaufort City Manager Bill Prokop presenting his 2016 fiscal year budget to City Council. Beaufort trying to close a deficit of around $500,000. Discussion this evening about a controversial public safety fee to help close that gap. Stephen Fastenau reporting on that story. A sinking boat in Broad Creek, kind of an eyesore. What's the deal with it? Zach Murdoch will tell us later today on islandpacket.com. The boat's been in Broad Creek right near the Charles E. Frazier Bridge for several weeks now. It was moored by the Coast Guard. So again, we will have the latest on that. And that's the news for now. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow morning.